Haribol. By the Kajris March of Guru and Gauranga, today we are performing Brajamandal Dham Parikrama under guidance of our beloved Gurudev Nitula Prashan Bhaktivedanta Srila Bhavana Goswami Maharaj and Nitula Prashan Vishnupada Ashtodhan Bhaktivedanta Srila Anand Goswami Maharaj and all our sannyasis, God brother and God sisters and all the devotees of Bengalis and Western countries. Today we have come in the place of Lakshmi Devi's Tapasya Sthali. Lakshmi Devi performed hard austerities in this place. For this regard, this place is called Lakshmi's Tapasya Sthali. And also this place is called Belban, Sriban and Lakshmiban. Three names also prominent. Even Belban. Here Lakshmi Devi, she came here to perform hard austerities. In our Shastra very clearly explained, once Narad Rishi, he came in Vaikuntha and glorified about Krishna Ras dance with the gopis in front of Lakshmi Devi. And how Krishna is beautiful, manifested his form in front of the gopis, especially in front of Srimati Radhika. And how Krishna dancing, singing, and this especially Krishna's four extraordinary qualifications, that is called Rupa Madhurya, Venu Madhurya, Lila Madhurya and Prema Madhurya. And then Lakshmi Devi, she completely charmed and attracted with this katha and some greed manifested in her heart. Then she asked to Narad Rishi, how can I attend the Ras dance with the gopis with Krishna? Then Narad Rishi told, if you perform hard austerities in Braj to Krishna, then Krishna will be pleased with your hard austerities. Then by the causeless mercy of Krishna, then you may enter in the Ras dance of gopis and Krishna. So Lakshmi Devi, she left Vaikuntha Dham and came in Belwan in this place in Braj on the bank of Jamuna. Many years, thousand years, she performed hard austerities, very courteous, heat rays of the sun, and folded her hand and performed hard austerities. Rays of sun almost burned his body, but still she also performed hard austerities in this place under the bel trees. And here with the bel trees, here there are so many bread fruits also here. So after many years, then Krishna appeared in front of Lakshmi Devi. And then Krishna asked Lakshmi Devi, I am pleased with your hard austerities. You may ask any benediction I feel full or desires. Then Lakshmi Devi, she told, oh my Lord, if you please with me, give me son, I can enter in the Ras dance with gopis and Krishna. Then Krishna told, hey Lakshmi Devi, this is very rare for you, not possible for you. It is called Dusprapya. Not so easy to enter in the Ras dance of the gopis. Because according to the rules there, if you want to enter in the Ras dance, there are some rules are there. First, you have to give up your Brahmani, Abhiman, egos of Brahmani. Second, you have to take birth in Braj, in the womb of Braj Gopis, and have to get the Gopis form. And you have to associate with the gopis, those are eternal associates of Lord Krishna Nitya Parikar. Then and their Anurag, Krishna Anurag will be manifest into your heart. Then you will be able to this. And not only this, also some rules also there. You have to take bath in Braj and Braj Gopi Bhav and Braj mood and Braj Gopi form, and you have to take bath. You have to marry with one Braj Gopa, and have to feeding the cow dungs with the gopis. So many rules and there. And but Gopi said she also did not accept all these rules. Especially when Krishna told, you have to marry with one Gopa and with hidden way, Gupta Bhav, Parakya Bhav, met with Krishna and entered Ras dance. Then Lakshmi Devi, she told, it is impossible for me because I am chaste lady, Sati Sadhi Nari. How possible I will marry another gop? Because I have nishtha with my husband Narayan. So how possible I will marry with another gop? Because I am high caste, the Brahmani. So how possible marry with the low caste Vaishya Jati cow herder? Those are herding the cows, Vaishya Jati. It is impossible, and especially I am just ready, I cannot to marry with another gop. They say. Then Krishna told it, so you cannot enter the Ras dance. So Lakshmi Devi, she performed hard austerities here. She did not follow the instruction of Krishna, and again she also had austerities. Then Krishna very pleased with her. Then Krishna took her and put in his chest in the form of the golden line. That is called Bama Vakshasthala Sarnarekha. That means Lakshmi Devi, she is staying in the left chest of Krishna in the form of golden line. This is our Acharya is explained this way. But in this hour, and maybe your question will come. That means Lakshmi, she wants to enter Ras dance with Lakshmi Sarir and Lakshmi Vesh. But this is not possible. Because our conclusion, according to the Shastra in Chaitanya Chaitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj explained, Krishna himself told, Krishna Gop Jati, Gopi Vina Anne Nakare Angikar. Krishna, he is called Gopa dynasty. So Krishna, he does not accept the other caste. So this is the conclusion, Krishna Gop Jati, Gopi Vina Anne Nakare Angikar. And even the Jagik Patni, the wife of Brahmanas, Brahman Patnis, they also wanted to stay with Krishna, but Krishna did not accept them and sent to their house. So in this way, our conclusion, the Krishna Gop Jati Gopi Bina Anne Nakare Angikar. These are the things. And there are, so maybe your question will come, if Lakshmi did not attend Ras dance, there are many shastras praman is there, Kasanu Bhavu Asadeva Vidmaya Tabang Renu Prasadhikaro. This Nagpatni Stuti also very clearly explained. Lakshmi Devi, she performed hard austerities, but she did not attend Ras dance with the gopis. So if the good Lakshmi Devi, she did not get the highest position of Ras dance, so how we will get the highest position? And we are coming here, pray to Lakshmi Devi. Because in this way, our Goswamis giving the conclusion, the Drona and Dhara, they perform hard austerities to Brahmaji. Brahmaji, he is called Adhikarik Dasya Bhav. But Brahmaji, he also gave benediction to Drona and Dhara, the Vatsalya Prem, parental mood manifest in their heart. So, those who are the Suddha Bhakta, if they will give benediction, will attain their highest prem. So, in the same way, though Lakshmi Devi did not attend the Ras dance, but if Lakshmi Devi to give benediction, by the cause of the mercy of Lakshmi Devi, you can attend also Ras dance. Or here the Lakshmi she is non-different from Srimati Radhika. Because Krishna and Narayan, there are no difference Krishna and Narayan. Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu Opi, according to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan. Same Krishna, he manifests in Vaikuntha in the form of Narayan, and Ajodhya Ramchandra, and Golok Vrindavan, Vrindavan Samsundar. In the same way, Krishna's Radhini Shakti Sarvani Srimati Radhika, her manifestation, three manifestation is here in Chaitanya Charitamritam. Explain Braje, Gopigan, Pure Mahisigan, or Vaikunthe Lakshmigan. Here very clearly explain Srimati Radhika, she manifests many gopi forms. Anand Chinmaya Rasa Pratibha Vistar Vijayava Nija Rupa Taya Kalabhi. In this verse very clearly explain Srimati Radhika, though she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna, but without many consorts, Krishna will not very happy. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she manifests many forms of the gopis and fulfill all the desires of Krishna. In the so, our second, there are many queens in Dwarka. Actually, they are the non-different from Srimati Radhika also there. And our Vaikuntha, Lakshmiks, they also non-different from Srimati Radhika. So in this way, our Shastra is saying this way, if Lakshmi Devi, you will give mercy, then you will enter in Ras dance. In this way, our Shastra Siddhanta, all the conclusion of the scriptures, explain this way, Lakshmi Devi. And there are many Lakshmis also in our Shastra explain. One is called Sarva Lakshmi Srimati Radhika. Gautima Tandra very clearly explain Devi Krishnamai Prokta Radhika Paradevata. इसके बाद सर्व लक्ष्मी वही सर्व कांति सन्मोहिनी परा. So सर्व लक्ष्मी वही देवनी श्रीमती राधिका सर्व लक्ष्मी वही. So Srimati Radhika, she is called original Lakshmi. Her expansion and different places is there. And the Lakshmi Devi also, there are many Lakshmis also, Sarga Lakshmi and another Martha Lakshmi, Dharma Lakshmi. There are many kinds of Lakshmi. Even Draupadi, actually who is Draupadi? Draupadi, that is called the Chaya Sita. When Ramchandra and performed sweet Leela in Dharnakaranya, and Ravan came and tried to kidnap to Srimati Sita Devi. That time, original Sita, she entered in fire, Agni Devata, and came in to Shiv and Parvati. Origin Sita, she entered in the fire, Agni Deva, Agni Madhya, and came to this. And then when Ramchandra killed Ravan, and that Chaya Sita, and she also entered into the fire, and then origin Sita came back to Ramchandra. Then that Chaya Sita, she also asked Ramchandra what to do now. Then Ramchandra told, I am blessing to you. You have to go. Vaikuntha will become Sarga Lakshmi. Vaikuntha Lakshmi, and your another expansion will be stay in and Sargos, that is called Sarga Lakshmi. And when Dapar Yug, then you will help my many Leelas. That time there Chaya Sita, there is Sarga Lakshmi. Also she became Draupadi. And she manifested from the fire sacrifice. Draupadi, she manifested from Jagna, fire sacrifice. Actually that is called Chaya Sita. In the many Gaur Premanand.